What's going on, guys? Thought I'd do a quick video of my 1973 Chevy Camaro. So the paint is Inferno Orange from Chevy. I bought the car with it already painted. So it's got US mag wheels, and then it has 245 40 R18 wheels with wheel wood brakes all the way around. Has a lot of Anvil Auto front bumpers, front spoiler, headlight buckets, fog lights. Suspension has Hotchkiss Stage 2 full suspension kit. For now, we are going to upgrade to Ride-Tech 4-link, but for now it's got Hotchkiss. We also have the rear spoiler and the rear bumper from Anvil Auto, as well as the door handles. So it has a 5.3 LS motor. Right now it just has a mild cam on it, so it makes a little more than 400 horsepower. And it also has a LS6 intake. And then fuel management is Holley Terminator X. It's got a Holley mid-drive accessory drive kit. It's got vintage air. We got wheel wood master cylinder with the brake booster. And then we also have the carbon fiber from Anvil Auto, the closeout panel and radiator panel. So inside we have TMI seats, and we got a back seat. We got a Sparco steering wheel, Dakota digital gauges, as well as a Pioneer head unit. The transmission is a Gearstar 4L65, as well as we got power windows. We got Anvil Auto upper door panels, TMI door panels, power windows, as well as Anvil door seal plates. So right now we're still running on a still learning tune. The car only has about 50 miles on it, so we're still trying to get it tuned right now. But the head unit also has Apple CarPlay. And then for speakers we have Rockford speakers on it. We have 4-inch speaker pods in the front, and then we have two 6x9s in the rear. Also have a suede headliner. And it has a pypes exhaust. And it also has a quick performance 9-inch rear end. So that's my car right now. Thanks for watching.